Want to create a complete YouTube or Instagram video without filming, editing, or using complex software? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make a full video using InVideo AI, step by step, perfect for beginners and even pros looking to save time. Let's get started. First, head over to invideo.io/AI. You can sign up for a free account using your email or Google account. InVideo AI is different from their classic editor. This version is powered by artificial intelligence that creates the video for you based on your script or idea. Once you're logged in, you'll see this prompt box. This is where the magic starts. You just need to describe what you want your video to be about. For example, I'll type, "Make a video explaining 5 tips to stay productive while working from home." You can be specific, tell it what tone you want, motivational, informative, casual, the platform, YouTube, Instagram Reel, etc., and even the length. Click Generate Video. Now sit back and let InVideo AI do the heavy lifting. In a few seconds, it will generate a script, voiceover, stock video clips, background music, subtitles.
Working from home? Let's turn your kitchen table into a productivity powerhouse. Tip number 1, set up a real workspace. No, your bed doesn't count unless you're dreaming up ideas. Tip 2, stick to a schedule. If you start at noon, you might finish by next week. Tip 3, take breaks. Yes, snack breaks count, but maybe walk around instead of raiding the fridge. Tip 4, stay connected. Chat with your teammates. Even your cat can't give feedback on your email drafts. And finally, tip 5, shut down when you're done. Your couch is for relaxing, not answering emails at midnight. So set up your space, stick to a plan, take real breaks, stay in touch, and know when to clock out. You got this, remote rock star.
Literally everything you need in one go. This is a huge time saver for content creators, marketers, and educators. Now here's the best part. You can still customize the video InVideo AI created. Click Edit, and you can change the stock footage, modify the voiceover, or upload your own. Adjust the text on screen, change font, colors, transitions. You can even switch the entire voice to another language or gender. Want a British accent? Easy. Want it in Hindi or Spanish? One click. Once you're happy with your video, click Export. The free plan gives you 720p exports with a small watermark. For full HD and watermark-free videos, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan, which is still very affordable. The video will be rendered and ready for download or direct upload to YouTube, Instagram, or wherever you want. Now you can upload your finished video to your platform of choice. For YouTube, don't forget to write an SEO-friendly title, add a good thumbnail, use Canva, include relevant hashtags for Instagram or TikTok, make sure your video is under 60 seconds and use trending sounds and tags. And that's how you can create a full video using InVideo AI in just a few minutes. Script, voice, visuals, music, all done by AI. If this tutorial helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Content Monk, and comment AI Video Pro below if you're ready to try it out.